Good morning guys, I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how I did this little flip out corner, if I can find it on here. I think it's this way. On my latest rose journal. I've been asked by a couple of you how I've done it, so it's just a quick little pull out journaling corner like this, look. So I'm just going to show you how I did that. Very simple, and it's very similar to the little heart one that I did. So what I'll do is I'll show you how I've done it. What you need is a 6x6 or just a square. It doesn't have to be 6x6, it depends on the size of your journal, where you want to put it. I've got two styles, I've got the square one and I've got the triangle one. So this is obviously the same, that's the triangle one. And then I've got a square, which is the same square piece of paper. So this just goes onto the corner, you stick it down and it just pulls out into a square. So it depends which way you want it. I've actually folded this piece down because I thought it looked quite nice, and then you could just get a clip again and clip it down, and you can also use it again as a tuck. So this just pulls out, and then we've got the triangle one, which does exactly the same thing. Glue it down and it just pulls out. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I fold them. So there we go. So we have the square piece of paper, and then what we do, we fold it in corner to corner, and then again we want to do corner to corner this way, like so, and then we go in half like this, and then the other way. So get in there like that. So we've got all the in quarters like that, and then diagonally. So I'll make sure those folds are quite good on there, look. And then what you do, to do the square, you go from corner to corner and bring those two in, and then you just push that down. Okay, so then that's your square. So it's corner to corner, the little points. So if you hold it either side like that, and then just push those two in, and then push it down, that gives you the square. And to do the triangle, it goes this way. So you want to push the two sides in. So if you push the two sides in and bring it down, that gives you the triangle. And that's it. That's how easy it is. And then you just pop it onto your page and pull it out. Exactly the same as this here. All as I did on this one, I popped it on, and because it's folded up like that, it's quite nice because it just clips onto here. So you just fold it down and pull it out. And what I did, I stuck it on here, and then I just decoupaged over the top, so it sort of like incorporates into this bit, so it's sort of almost like part of the page. And then that just folds in like that and goes up. So then you can just make them as big or small as you like, but it has to be a square to get this right shape. So let me show you again. I'll get another piece of paper. So we go corner to corner, like this, and fold it down the middle, and then we go corner to corner the opposite way. And obviously you can do it with any paper. This is just my tea stain paper that I've used. And what I do, because as a lot of you know, I live in Portugal, and the weather here is amazing at the moment. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's not too hot, so it's lovely. So I do my tea staining outside. I put my paper in a big baking tray, and then I lay it all over the grass, and it dries within minutes, and it's fab. So you can see on some of it where the little pools of tea and coffee sit. So you've got these lovely little shapes on there. So if you have a nice sunny day wherever you are, pop it out in the garden, because look, it gives you some lovely, lovely colours and shapes on there. So there we go. So it's in half and then in the corners, and then again, to do it, you want the up this way. To do the triangle, it's the middle bits go in, just the sides together, and it pushes down, and it automatically goes down that way, so that's the way it will be. And then, so it's just take the sides like that and just push them in so they hit together, and then it just folds down, and then you have your triangle. And then to do the square, you want it so the peaks are up. To do the square, it's either corner, opposite corners, again push them in and go down, and it just folds down automatically. That's the only way it can fold. So there we go, and then what you do is just stick it to your page and pull it out, so whichever way you want to do it. Like I said, on this one that I did, I've actually folded that down, so that can be the little pulling bit. So once that's stuck on your page here, let's get my little journal back in again. Once it's stuck on here, oops, right way round, so that's your square, stick it on the corner, and it just pulls down like that. So you can have the flap up, but I quite like it with the little flap down. You could put a little bit of ribbon on the corner so it's got something to pull it down with, and then you just get a little paper clip or a little clip of something and just clip it so this doesn't flap up. So I thought that was really nice. And again, we've got the little triangle one, and you could do it with any papers that you like. It sticks on, and then this just pulls down. You can put a little bit of tape on there, a little bit of ribbon to pull it down, but I quite like folding it up so you've got the 3 sections up there, and it just holds it when you pin it, like on this one. Okay guys, well I hope that helped you. I'll pop a link to the to my heart ones on the end, underneath the video, so have a go. It's very, very quick and easy. As you know, I like to do quick and easy, and it looks really, really good. So you can decoupage it all over the top. You can use any papers, scrapbook papers, tea stain papers, and it comes out absolutely gorgeous. Right guys, thank you so much. I hope you'll join me in my next videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, and you can see all my upcoming videos. Okay, have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye.